Today, we're going to talk about the huge potential of cybersecurity stocks like AI, CrowdStrike, and FireEye. Recently, these stocks have skyrocketed because a company called SolarWinds, a business software company that works with major government organizations, Fortune 500 companies, was hacked. And that affected thousands of companies. And now all of these businesses are going to be spending billions and billions of dollars more in the cybersecurity space. So in today's video, I'm first going to break down what happened with this company, SolarWinds, why it was hacked, what is going on. After that, I'm going to specifically talk about a company called AI. They recently IPO'd, and I think they have a lot of potential moving forward. And at the end of the video, I'm going to talk about cybersecurity stocks in general, what I'm going to be doing with them, and where I see them in the future. For those of you who are new here, my name is Michael. I'm a 21-year-old investor, entrepreneur, and full-time college student. In the last 30 days, I've made over $175,000 in one of the many investment accounts that I share with you in our private group on Patreon. So if you'd like to know more about what stocks I'm buying, what stocks I'm selling in my personal investment accounts, you want exclusive content that I don't share on YouTube, and if you want pre-release access to each episode of my new show called The Stock Room, where I talk with my 80-year-old friend who's a millionaire, investor, and entrepreneur, well, then make sure to join our group using the link down below. We only have a couple of spots left. The business software company called SolarWinds was recently hacked. SolarWinds works with major government organizations. They work with Fortune 500 companies, and they are working with thousands of customers in the US, and many of them were affected by this attack. The cyber attack, reportedly executed by a Russian intelligence agency, put thousands of companies and US government organizations at risk of being spied on by the Russian government or having data stolen for up to 9 months. SolarWinds was breached earlier this year when hackers broke into its system, inserted a piece of code into one of its software platforms, and that means that any of the companies or organizations that use SolarWinds' updated software would be affected by this hack. SolarWinds has hundreds of thousands of clients across the globe, including government agencies, mostly Fortune 500 companies, and the company said that up to 18,000 of its customers were affected by this hack. Investigating the extent of the cyber attack may take years. However, many cybersecurity companies are now benefiting drastically from what happened. CrowdStrike is up almost 41% in the last month. FireEye is up nearly 35% in the last month. Company AI, they're up 17% in the last just day. So right now, all of these companies are benefiting so much from what is going on with the cybersecurity attack, and I think that they will continue to benefit from this as more and more companies start spending more money on cybersecurity and protecting their business. So today, I specifically want to talk about a company called AI. I mentioned this in a previous video and how ARK Invest had spoken about AI, cybersecurity, and deep learning. However, now we're going to break it down a little bit further and talk exactly about what the company C3.ai does. Their stock ticker symbol is AI, and the company provides machine learning, artificial intelligence, and other softwares to enterprises worldwide. AI has significant growth potential moving forward, with the internet constantly improving, machine learning getting better, and more companies using AI to analyze their data, protect their business, and all aspects of business. The company is based in Redwood City, California, and was founded to develop a suite of machine learning software capabilities to help businesses make better decisions and optimize their operations and strategic activities. Management is headed by a man named Thomas Seibel, who was previously the founder and CEO of a company that merged with Oracle. He's worth billions of dollars. So a couple of things that C3.ai focuses on are predictive maintenance, inventory optimization, energy management, customer relation management, precision health, anti-money laundering, and also cyber security. They have a specific cybersecurity part of their software that is specifically designed for identifying fraudulent actors and safeguard revenues of the company. On top of this, C3.ai also has a specific security aspect of their suite of softwares. C3.ai understands that security, confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the C3 AI suite and applications are crucial to customers, and they implement a rigorous cybersecurity program to protect critical systems and information assets, and they're constantly monitoring this to protect their customers. So this is going to be huge moving forward, and one of the main reasons why I think this company is going to be very successful moving forward. They're in the AI space, and they're also doing cybersecurity, which is going to be huge for all of these tens of thousands of businesses, 18,000 businesses that were affected by this cybersecurity attack. Looking at C3.ai, a couple of things I want to point out is their customer acquisition. Currently, C3.ai pursues enterprise clients. They're mainly focused on large businesses. However, they're looking to expand its use cases to target middle market customers to be using their same softwares as well, which will definitely help grow their business. Moving forward, the market and competition. According to a 2018 market research report, the global market for AI-based solutions was valued at $625 million in 2016, and it's expected to reach $6.1 billion by 2022. Now, with all of these cybersecurity attacks, the acceleration of moving to online because of the coronavirus, well, I think this is going to be even more by then. The main drivers for growth in the AI space and cybersecurity space are mainly going to be driven by machine learning and just now businesses protecting themselves from cybersecurity attacks using AI. One thing that you do need to be aware of, and one of the risks of investing in a company like C3.ai, is that their growth did slow down a little bit in 2020. A couple of people are worried about this moving forward. However, their CEO came out and said that this is nothing to worry about, because even if they have a slower growth rate in the next couple of years, there is massive growth potential in the industry. So anyways, right now, C3.ai, CrowdStrike, and FireEye are all companies I think are going to be great short-term investments, even better long-term investments, especially because of what happened with this recent cybersecurity attack. All these companies are up significantly in the last week, all because of this cybersecurity attack, and I don't see them going lower anytime soon, as more and more businesses are going to be spending billions of dollars protecting their companies from cybersecurity attacks, spending more money in AI and machine learning. So anyways, that's what I see moving forward for all these companies. I think they're going to continue to grow. They have potential to double, triple in the next couple of months just because of what's going on with the current environment in cybersecurity. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600, when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.